Video.
Marcus, this is Alex Martirano with Lao Higher Education. We have Mr. Woon Long, to his right. He is the director of the school. These are some of the students. These are some of the other students. We have more students. This is the first classroom of 16. Standing right next to my friend Mr. Booley is Miss Tateep. Let's get a shot of Miss Tateep. She works very hard here. You saw me doing some of the coffee plantation work. That was at Miss Tateep's house. Lao Higher Education has purchased the first chalkboard of the 16 rooms. And we are looking forward to the donation that Germany is sending, and we really, really appreciate it and need it. It will go to very good use here, and the students will be able to learn more, and we're hoping in the future to build a library, to build a computer room. Those are the projects for the rest of the year, and we are hoping to get donations from many people, and we thank you for your help. We will see you soon. Kapjai Lalai.